Swing in Seattle, Solo Jazz Saturdays. Here's our class review for the Jitterbug Stroll. Section number 1 looks like 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Section number 2 looks like 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Knee slap, shorty, George. And section 3, if we do the right side, the left side, and then the right side, Susie Q. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Section 4, boogie back into the TikToks. Let's do the right side, the left side, and the right side. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The structure being, we do 3 of each step, then we do the pivot step. The pivot looks like pivot, 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 pivot. We reprise the original step, and then we do the TOBA break. Step, touch, and then you turn. Go. So let's do the whole little routine. It looks like this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Ba-da. Change, move forward, shuffle. Change, move forward, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pivot 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shoot, and here's the break. Step, touch, and knee slaps, knee slap, kick and step, knee slap, kick and step, knee slap, kick and step, and then you pivot, knee slap, kick and step, touch, and Susie Q, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, then you turn.
Boogie back, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pivot,